In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add a payment method to your Google Chrome on iPhone. This streamlines the online shopping experience by enabling faster checkouts through autofill and reducing the need to manually enter your payment details each time. To do this, simply head to your Google Chrome. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon and head to Settings. On your Settings page, select onto this option of Payment Methods. To add any payment method, select on this Add button on your bottom left. You will then see various payment methods. But due to regional preferences, I only have the option to add my card as my payment method. Enter your card details and tap on Add to successfully get enabled. This convenience extends across all devices where you're signed into Chrome, allowing seamless transactions whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer. That's how easy it is to add a payment method to Google Chrome on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.